Eyelets make a lovely fashion feature, or they can be practical. The hemline ones, we've got gold, nickel, or an assorted pack of these small eyelets. And the directions on how to use them are on the back. They also come with the tool inside the pack. So the first thing to do is to mark and make a hole where you want to put the eyelet. So I've already started making this hole. Make sure the hole is a nice size so you can pop the eyelet through the hole from the right side to the back. Turn it over and then, using the tool, place the tool with the rounded end into the eyelet, which you then bash with your hammer. And that's the eyelet fixed in place. But you don't have to use a hammer. You can actually use another one of the Hemline products, an eyelet plier. So again, I'm going to make the hole in the fabric. I've made a mark, pierce it, make sure the hole goes all the way through both layers, pop the eyelet through the hole, and then you have on one side a ball, on another side the hole. So again, working from the wrong side, I'm going to position the ball over the eyelet and squeeze it shut, and there is the eyelet. So without all the hammering, you've got another eyelet. Use these eyelets for a decorative application or for a practical purpose for lacing, etc. And don't forget, if you use the pliers, you don't have to use the hammer.